Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy a Fidelity money market fund. First, you need to create an account with Fidelity if you haven't done so already. Visit the Fidelity website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your personal details and financial information. Once your account is set up, log into your Fidelity account. Next, navigate to the investment options. On the homepage, look for the tab that says Markets or Investing. From there, select the option for mutual funds. You may find search boxes or filters to help you locate money market funds specifically. Once you find the Fidelity Money Market Fund, click on the fund's name to view more details. Before making your purchase, review the key information about the fund, such as its performance history, expense ratio, and any potential risks involved. Make sure to consider how this investment aligns with your financial goals. If you are satisfied with the details, you can proceed to buy the fund. To complete your purchase, click on the Buy option and specify the amount you'd like to invest. Follow the prompts to execute your transaction and confirm your order. Congratulations, you have successfully purchased shares in a Fidelity Money Market Fund. Be sure to monitor your investment periodically to ensure it continues to meet your financial objectives.